Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to discuss about some new features in Selenium. In last video we have discussed about the elements. In this video we'll discuss about the screenshots of one particular elements and screenshots of a whole page in Firefox. And then we'll discuss about the new element, not sorry, no new element, new tabs and new windows. How does it work in Selenium? So let's come to first we'll discuss about the screenshot. So in Selenium we can in Selenium 4 this is a new feature has been introduced where you can take a screenshot of one element. Element when I say I want to take a screenshot of this whole one book. There is a multiple six, eight books are there. I want to take the screenshot of this whole book or this whole book or anything, this book or this book, whatever I want, I can take it. That was not there in Selenium 3, but Selenium 4 has introduced that. Like you can take a screenshot of an element also. Now, what is a code? We have an object, driver object here. With the help of driver object, we are opening on a page called Automation Bookstore. And then I have taken a web element with the help of by ID PID6. So this is a by ID PID6. If I inspect it, so this is a by ID PID6. You can see it, ID. Okay. And then I have taken an element in the logo. With the help of logo dot get screenshot is a method as form of a file, not as a bytes. When we'll take a bytes when we have to embed into the Cucumber report or any HTML report. But we are taking as a file because we want to save it as individual file, that .png or .djpg, whatever format you want to save it. Then destination folder. I'm going to the destination folder. This is a user directory, which is a local directory where the whole project is there. And then I'm navigating to source main resources books.png. I'm saving that file, and then I have put into try catch because if this path is not found, then it will throw a IO exception. So that's why file util.copy from where this file to destination folder, and then I'm quitting. Okay, I'm closing the browsers. So let me go here and just run it and see what is happening. Okay, so it has opened the page and now it will take the screenshot of the whole of this element only. Now let me refresh this folder. I have a book.png, you can see it. So this is a one element I want to take it. Similar to that, in Selenium 4, they have introduced one new feature called full screenshot in Firefox. When I say full screenshot, means this is a page, and what is a full screenshot? I'll put F11. This is a full screenshot, full screen, correct? Okay. So that has been introduced in only in Firefox, not in any other browsers. It has been implemented in Selenium 4. Here also, there is nothing new. All code are old, only just they have given full screen on one new method in a window. So like you go, like create an object of a Firefox driver, then manage.window.fullscreen, okay, and then navigate to the page where you want to take the full screen, and then you want to save that file. So this is a file dot get screenshot as is a old method. There's no new in this. Only this full screen was the new method they have introduced. Apart from that, it is the same in Selenium 3. So this is how, and you're taking as a file, output type as a file, and then where you're going, you're going to the destination folder, full screen.png. Okay, and they are copying as usual, like util file util.copy file and destination, and then you're closing the browser. One point you have to just remember: don't quit. The moment you quit, it will throw an exception. It's only happen in Firefox, not in other browsers. If only one browser is open and if you want to quit, it will throw an exception. I'll show you that code also. So just remember it. You should not quit it. It should close it. As you know, close will close the current session. Quit will close all the browser open by the driver. Okay. Now, if I go here and just refresh the page here, and then if I go .png, it is here. You can see it. So whole page, you can see it. Such a big page, it is taken it. Okay. Now, this is about the screenshot. Okay, yeah, I just forgot. Yeah, quit will throw the exceptions. I know so people have the curiosity. No, it will not throw it. It is throwing the exception. I have checked it. So I have used both close and quit. It will throw exception in Firefox, but in other browser it will not Okay, you see, in other browser it will not throw. You can do it. Quit means you are just killing the whole process, browser process, basically, but here it is throwing the exception. Just mind it. So just close it or do a quit. If I do only quit, I think it will work. Let me go and run it. I have not tried. Okay, it's nice that I also am trying that one. Only quit if you do, it will work perfectly because object is there and it will kill it and it will come out. Okay, now it is no exceptions. Okay, just mind it. Okay, next is basically where is that? Yeah, next is okay. Next we are talking about this new window. Where is that? Huh? So Selenium 4 has introduced about new tabs and new window. So in this Selenium 4, you can implicitly open a new tab and also you can open a new window both. You can do it. Before what was happening, there is a page and then if you go and if you click, it will open a new browser or new tab or a new window based on the browser settings. But sometimes it is implicitly written in the code that open a new window, but based on the browser setting it will open a new tab or new window. It can be anything based on the if you click and all. But in Selenium 4 it has been introduced, if you want to work on the new tab on different website, you can work and then you can perform all the actions and then you come back. So what is the code here? You see the code. Code is like we have created an object of a Chrome driver here and then navigating to the automation bookstore.dev, and then we are switching to a new window. We don't have any window, you see. Yes, we are navigating, but we don't have any new window, but we are switching to a new window and then we are passing argument. Okay, you create a new tab, you open a new tab and then you navigate to here to a new window. I navigate to new window. I'm just waiting for 5 seconds. Let me give you 5 seconds. 10 seconds too much. Let me give you 5 seconds. Okay. And then what I'm doing here also I'll give a 5 second. And then what I'm doing, I'm closing the current window. When I say current tab, because I have navigated to the selenium.dev, I want to close it. Okay. So and then I want to come back to the my automation bookstore.dev. So I want to come back here. So what I have written a code called switch to default content, and then I'm closing this automation bookstore, and then I'm quitting it. Okay, so if I want to work on this new window, I want to navigate to suppose there's a scenario where you want to go to some XYZ website and get some parameter, and then you come back to the old website. You can do it implicitly. That was not supported in Selenium 3. Now it is supported. Okay, so you can understand it. It is and now the new tab has closed and new. Oh, it came back to the old one, and this one will also get closed. I know. Okay. I think some throwing some exception. Let me see what is exceptions. Let me close it and see some exceptions are there. Okay. No such window. Target window already closed. Okay. Okay. Fine. 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 Target window already closed. Default content. I'll just remove it. And now I'll go and run it again. So this is how it is opening a new tab. You see, a new tab has opened and it's a navigator to the div, and you have old tab. Now new tab will get closed. Yeah, got closed. Now we are in the old tab like automation dev.dev, and this will also get closed. Okay. Similar to this, we have why it is throwing error? Okay, okay, already closed, and I'm asking you to close it again. That's the reason. Okay, let me run it. It should be running perfectly. There should not be any error. So I'm running it again. Actually, I just forgot. I have already given driver.close, so it is closing. New tab has opened. You see selenium.dev, and it will close now. One, two, three. Yeah, closed. And then now this will also have given 5 seconds. So one, two, three, closed. Done. Similar to that, we have also added a new window. If you want to open a new window, in place of opening a new tab, you can open a new window. So let me close this site basically, and I will show you. Same code. There's no difference. Only in place of window type, you can put it window in place of tab. Create an object of a Chrome driver, and then you navigate to chromebookstore.dev, and then switch to new window, and you just pass window type as a window, navigate to this page, select for 1000 seconds. I don't give 5000, I'll just give 10,000. I'll just give 5000 so that it will wait for 5000 and then it will quit it. You see? Okay, let me close that window. So I'll just put driver dot close. Okay, so this is done. So let me run it. So there are so many new features in Selenium 4. We are discussing one by one. Please do subscribe if you like my video. Put a comment if you have any questions. So this is you, and now it will open a already two windows are there, and it has closed it. Okay, sorry. Let me run it again, and then you'll understand it. Let me ding ding ding. It has closed very quickly, so we were not able to capture it like what has happened. Let me run it once more. So there are so many other features are there. We'll create one by one. So you see a new window has already opened, you see. So I have two window. You can see it, automation and Selenium. Now one will get close first and then the second one. Okay. So this is how it has been done. So these are the two new features, new tab, new window, new tab, and then screenshot of an element and screenshot of full page in only in Firefox. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like my video, please like it and put a comments. Please do subscribe it. Thank you all.